Hi, it's Chris.
And Sue.
And we bought this ProMaster van last year, and we spent about 2 months converting it into an RV. We have about 10,000 miles on it, so we thought we'd give it a tour. We have a 2023 ProMaster 2500 with a 159-inch wheelbase. If we start up on the roof, we have a Flat Van Company rack, which is really nice, and we have a Familia pull-out awning. The awning is really easy to set up and to put back away.
Back here we have a 28-gallon wheel well water tank with access for loading more water. In addition to the solar on top and the alternator from the engine, we have this that you can hook into house power. Wonderful Soft Goods also makes these insulated blackout covers that are magnetic, go right over the window, easy on, easy off. We often travel with our bikes and we wanted to be able to get these doors open. So we have a pivotal hitch that allows us to swing the bikes out of the way, which then gives us the availability to open the doors. Next feature was a mandatory requirement for Chris.
It's a Dometic RTX 2000 DC air conditioner. I love being cold.
We also have some high-powered LED lights, which makes it very handy if we're coming into a site when we're backing up or setting up camp.
Up on the roof we have 500 watts of solar, an over-the-air TV antenna, and a Starlink connection.
Another nice feature are these pull-out steps, which make it so much easier to get in and out of the van. And we've got this grab bar here, so easy in. We have these magnetic insulated curtains that keep it nice and cool or warm up while we're driving, but also give privacy at night while we're sleeping. The curtains open up when we need some more space. This area is a little bit hard to see, but there's quite a bit of storage back here that we keep, like the picnic table covers, extra stools, and the covers for the windows. And we put our jackets up here because sometimes the season changes depending on where we go. But there's quite a bit of room up here.
Got these nice swivel seats in the front. You've got to lean it forward and then it swivels around. And then you can lean it back and recline. We have this nice little storage box that also works as a great footrest.
Here we have a heavy-duty horse groomer's organizer with nice deep pockets. And we have some hooks here for jackets and hats and towels. There's a Webasto heater that is under here, and there's also space for extra tools that we might need. Here we have a cover made by the wonderful Soft Goods, and it's magnetic and it comes down easy, revealing the fan. And this really helps with cross flow in the van. Under this cabinet we have a TV, a DVD player, a small computer that is linked to Starlink, and this folds down and can pivot this way if we're watching television from back here, or it can pivot this way if we're watching TV from the front lounging chairs.
On this wall we have an indoor-outdoor thermometer. We've got the Webasto heater thermostat. We've got the battery capacity, and we have the switches for the inverter and for the water pump.
We store the portable toilet in this cabinet, and at night we pull it out and it sits right on that shelving. This is where the toilet houses at night, so we have easy access to it. In this drawer, we have an induction range that you can pull out and cook inside the van, or it can be brought outside and the cooking can be all outside. We also store our portable coffee maker in this drawer. Here there is a microwave and a mini refrigerator with shelving on the door and below. The only thing we probably would do different is make it be a bigger refrigerator. So on this side we have some nice handy little features with a cutting board with a sink below. It has a couple different spray options. And this is a swivel that you can then make it so you can clean things on the outside, take a shower, and have access to cleaning any feet or whatever you want outside before you come in. The Bug Wall company makes some really nice magnetic opening screens that make it so we can have good airflow and keep the bugs out. And we have the same feature in the back.
If you have to load stuff in the back, the bug screens roll up and can be tied up.
So often Chris puts the induction range here and does some cooking, and it's nice to have the sink and the paper towels here. And Sue likes to put a plant up here. There's currently not one, but there will be soon.
In the back we have a large short king bed, which the center can be removed. This is nice if you want to use the van to move something. I ordered a 4-inch memory foam mattress and cut it up into pieces and sewed the covers. Under the passenger bench we have the water tank, and then we have a AC marine hot water heater, which is on a timer switch so that you don't run the battery out. Under the driver's side bench we've got the solar controller and the DC-DC converter from the alternator, and we have a Battleborn lithium ion phosphate battery that's 270 amp hours and a Victron pure sine wave 3000 watt inverter. The center of the big bed turns into 2 lagoon tables that have a bunch of different configurations. You can put one table up and leave the bed in the back by the door. You can swing it to the side so you have better access to the alleyway. Or if it's a rainy day and you have a bunch of people, you can put both tables up. Most of our storage is overhead compartments on both the passenger side and on the driver's side. We have cabinet doors that swing up to the ceiling and lock in place. Next to the microwave and refrigerator, we also have a storage compartment.
Looks like we got a boat ready to come into the locks.
I'll put descriptions and links to all the things that we used in our van in case you need to check them out for yourself. Sue and I are going to continue enjoying our day and watch the boats go up and down these 100-year-old locks. Well, I hope you liked this tour of our van. We're looking forward to having many more years of fun travels with it. If this was helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.